Everybody's still at play, and don't you know it's a beautiful new day. Hey, well, here down the avenue, see how the sun shines brightly in the city, on the streets where once was pretty. Mr. Blue Sky is living here today. Hey, Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why